Good afternoon everyone, my name is Ngọc Anh and now I am really excited to share our research result about the second big questions. What are acceptable risks across cultural? Well, first let's see when a risk is considered as acceptable. From the audio, we got to know that acceptable risks refer to unwelcome incidents that meet one of these criteria. 1. It is unlikely to happen. 2. The consequences are not significant. And 3. There are numerous advantages to taking risks. And today, our groups would like to introduce 2 acceptable risks to you.
The first one is the tolerable human health risk in the conducted electrical weapon exposure. In the real life, police officers often confront life-threatening situations, and the use of firearms can become lethal. A systematic review conducted in 2021 by Balia Sasvir and others, researchers from Letland Institute for Health Service Research, showed that conducted electrical weapons serve as a less lethal substitute for police officers. However, questions have raised about its safety and whether the potential risks are acceptable. According to the research from Balia Sasvir 2021, the risk of negative health consequences can be estimated to be low. In a 2009 study of Bozeman and others, conducted estimated weapons were employed against 1,200 people during 36 months, and the result was that more than 99% of participants didn't suffer from the major injuries. Analysis from Gardner and others in 2012, investigating its impact on children and adolescents, also conveyed that only 20% of the cases reported minor injuries. This finding implies that those vulnerable populations are not at a higher risk for serious injuries than adults. So we can see the event consequences are not really significant. Furthermore, while firearms can be fatally dangerous, a conducted electrical weapon may be less lethal option because it enables reducing physical violence and allows safe distance from the criminals or threat. According to the review of Balia Sasvir and others in 2021, at this point, the benefit really offset the possible risk. The conducted electrical weapons are also increasingly used by the law enforcement agencies around the world, mentioned in a 2010 article conducted by Storr and others in 2010, researchers from the University of Washington. Understanding its benefit and the low possibility of risk is really beneficial for the police officer in all countries. Well, let's move to the second risk acceptance, which relates to vaccination. In 2013, World Health Organization released a course about vaccine safety, and the manual book states that vaccine-associated risks refer to the danger of unfavorable outcome and the severity of the resulting harm to the health of vaccinated people. Vaccines used in national immunization programs are safe and effective. However, vaccines are not fully risk-free and unpleasant reactions still happen from time to time, although most adverse events are minor. Besides, the advantage of an efficient vaccine exceeds the danger of negative side effects. For example, each year, vaccines prevent more than 2.5 million children deaths globally. Other advantages include the promotion of the health and well-being, the protection from alignment and psychological consequences. Let me conclude the presentation. In the two situations, the risks are improbable to happen and the benefit greatly outweigh the potential risk. That's the reason why they are regarded as acceptable risks. So, thank you for your attention, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me.